Hi, this is a quick video for explaining the online assessment platform provided by Concept Ninjas. Our product is called Ninja Screening. So currently we are in the dashboard where you can see all the list of the tests that are created for you. So as Concept Ninja's USP is that we provide handcrafted tests for each and every hiring for you. We will show the list of tests here on your dashboard when you log in. This will be the first screen. So once the test is ready, you can invite the candidate using this invite button. So click on invite, then click on this plus sign. Here you need to enter the first name, last name, email ID, and the mobile number of the candidate. So either of email ID or mobile number is compulsory. So if you have say 100 candidates, you can always import the list of the candidates. You can download the template here, fill the details there, and import the contacts using this import contacts from Excel. So it will be an easier thing. So once I have ready the list of, you can also copy paste here. So if you have more candidates, you can add rows and put the details. Once you are ready with the list, click on send invitation. By clicking send invitation, candidates will receive a customized email and SMS, and the test link will be embedded in that mail. Candidate can click just on the test link, and they can give the test. This will be the test link which will be embedded there. So this is the list of invited candidates for this particular test. You can see the contact details of the candidate. What is the status? So when they are invited, it shows as invited. The source, if you have kept the source, that might be LinkedIn or some portal from where you have imported the candidate details. And then you will have the date when the candidate was invited. Okay. Once the candidate has been invited, he has the test link. He can just click on the test link. Currently I'm using this test link as like this. When candidate clicks on the test link, he will be shown this form where they can fill in the details. So I'm putting general details here. This form is customizable. You can pick any field that you want to capture from this form. We will customize it for you. So these are the details I'm putting up. So we always suggest you to have the form as short as you want. So we need to capture the basic details, and you can define your form. Next. On clicking next, the candidate is taken to the next screen where we show the instruction. We ask the candidate for camera access. So if in the test setting you have mentioned as optionally capture image or must capture image, then the camera will be activated. We also show the basic composition of the test, what all section the test has, and how many marks does it section contains. Then we say that I'm ready, allow camera access. Okay. So if I would have allowed the camera access, here my image will be shown, and I can click on the start test. Now you can see that I have gone to the full screen. If I escape this test screen, alert is shown. You can customize this number of escape allowed, and also for how many seconds you want to allow this escape. So you can also keep it as 0. If candidate escapes the test screen, the test will get submitted automatically. So this is very simple UI for the candidates, where they don't need to go undergo any training, or they don't need any help file. They can just click on the test link and they can simply give the test. So you can see that the question with 4 options, and then with only 2 buttons. So next act is save and next. The candidate clicks at next, the option is saved. You can also see that the bubble changes the color. So green ones are those for which we have given the answer. Gray ones we are currently attempted, and blue ones are the left to be attempted. If I'm not sure about a particular answer, I can always mark for review, and system will take me back to answer those questions. If I have given the answer and I am not sure, so I can also mark for review. So it goes as green and then flagged. So this questions also be taken back by the system. Then this is a programming section. Here one question is given as problem statement, the constraint, and the sample test data to make the candidate understand better the question. And then we show the basic code snippet, the basic step for writing the code. Candidate is only asked to write a particular function for answering this problem statement. We have a provision to map one programming question to multiple compilers. Candidate can choose a compiler of his comfort and he can write the code. If you change the compiler, the step changes. So depending upon your requirement, we can restrict the languages. For whichever language you want to get the question mark, we can do that. Once the candidate has given the written the code, he can always run and compile their code. If they see any error, they can go back, correct their code, and once they are satisfied with their code, they can submit the code. Even if they don't submit the code, we process the code. So whatever they have written is saved and is shared in report with you. So once they are done with the test, they can always click on submit test, and test will be submitted. Okay. Now, once the candidate has appeared for the test, we will go back to the test and we'll see the reports. So here you can see that 2 candidates have participated. You can just click on the view performance and you will see the candidate's name, basic details, whatever sections they have given the test, how much marks they have secured in that, and the rating on the scale of 0 to 5, and the status. Okay, so this complete report can be exported in Excel format by clicking on this button. By clicking on this icon, you can see the details of the detailed report of the candidate, where we show if images are captured, then here the images are shown. Then we show what questions the candidate has been asked. Then what was the correct answer, what the option the candidate has marked, and this report can be downloaded in PDF format. Coming to the proctoring, we shown you that we have enabled the camera. We shoot randomization of questions are there in the system. So we shoot random question to the candidate. So each candidate gets a unique set of question paper for them. A cheating predictor runs in the background. And if you see that candidate has used some unfair means, we flag those candidates in the reports. Other than this, our test runs on the full screen that we have seen while giving the test. So these are the basic few features of proctoring. The test link will also, the test link allows only one attempt. So in case the candidate has some legit reason that he has not appeared in the test completely, the HR has the option to activate the test link again. So this is the Excel export format. This is the Excel export format. You can see that all the details have been shared with the candidates. So this is a short video that explains the concept and the system. If you have any further question, you can reach us anytime. Thank you.